Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to download and use DeepSeek on your iPhone. It's actually quite easy, so let's get right to it. First, you need to open your web browser. We're going to head to the DeepSeek website. I'll leave a link in the description below for easy access. Once you're there, scroll down the page until you see Get DeepSeek app. Click on that, and then select Get on App Store. This will automatically open the App Store app on your iPhone. From here, just download the app like you normally would any other app. Once it's finished downloading, tap Open. You'll be taken to the login screen. If you already have a DeepSeek account, go ahead and log in. If not, click on Sign Up just below the login button. You'll need to enter your information, including a code that will be sent to your email to verify your account. Once you're logged in for the first time, you'll see a page that looks pretty similar to ChatGPT. Simply click on the text field and enter your prompt. When you submit it, you'll receive a reply just like you would with ChatGPT or any other large language model. Now, what's unique about DeepSeek is its Deep Think model. This allows it to reason and think with itself before replying to a prompt. Let's see that in action. First, select the Deep Think tag underneath the search bar. Then, enter your prompt. I'm going to use a question that doesn't have a right or wrong answer and requires some subjective thinking. Watch as it thinks in real time. Once it's finished, it will give you a response based on its own thoughts. You can see these thoughts displayed before the final answer. See? It's finished responding. If we scroll up to the very top, we can see how long it was thinking for and even read through the entire process of its thoughts if you want. You can also collapse the thought process if you prefer. Another cool feature is that DeepSeek can search the web in real time. To use this, click on the search tag below the search bar. Then, enter your prompt. I'm going to ask something that requires real-time information and also apply the Deep Think method since there's no single correct answer. Let's hit Enter. You can see that it's now searching the web and has already found 30 results. Now it will begin thinking based on those results and wrap everything up with a final conclusion. Okay, it's finished. We can scroll up to view the answer. And just a reminder, this is not financial advice. If you scroll up further, you can see its thought process. And at the very top, it says, Found 30 results. Click on that, and you'll see a list of all the resources it used to come to its conclusion. Want to start a new chat? Just click Start New Chat at the bottom or the icon in the top right corner. To view your past prompts, click on the two lines in the top left. And to access the settings, click on your email address at the bottom. Finally, if you want to attach a photo, image, or document to your prompt, you need to first deselect the search tag. Then you can click on the plus icon and attach whatever you'd like. And that's it. That's how to download and use DeepSeek on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Fix Zone tutorials. Thanks for watching.